Day 5 of the Kelly Thomas case, and it was a good day for the prosecution with a few bumps and bruises. The prosecution called former FBI agent John Wilson, a man who has arrested at least 500 people in his job as an FBI agent and have trained 5,000 agents in police tactics. The whole purpose of calling John Wilson was to explain why the officer's conduct was unreasonable, that they used excessive force. John Wilson is a good expert. He has great eye contact with the jurors. He's believable. He talks in a manner that is very easy to understand. However, the prosecution had a very difficult time trying to get answers from John Wilson, only because questions weren't being asked properly. The defense used this to object to many questions asked by the prosecution of John Wilson's opinion, and those objections were sustained by the judge. In the afternoon, the prosecution will continue to ask John Wilson his opinion as to whether or not these officers use excessive use of force. Expect the defense to vigorously challenge John Wilson's qualifications as a qualified expert to comment on the use of force by being an officer on the street. You know, I've been sitting in the courtroom of the Kelly Thomas case for the last 5 days, and I was just wondering, I hope this case is being tried for the right reason. You see, Kelly Thomas was beaten to death by officers who used excessive force. There's no doubt about this. But this case is about justice, not about making someone's career. And I want to make sure the focus stays on vindicating Kelly Thomas's rights, not the political future of any individual, not trying to establish a career. I'm just thinking out loud that I hope that justice is being done for the true purpose to make sure the Kelly Thomas family receives vindication that their son should not have been beaten. Just a thought from Leo Terrell. I have prosecuted police officers over the years. And you know what? If I was in the prosecution's shoes right now, I got the greatest piece of evidence already, the audio and videotape. I want to make this case clean and concise. I don't want to get bogged down with witnesses. The evidence is already there. The audio tape and the medical testimony and one police expert. And you know what? I would rest because I think the audio and the video speaks for itself. If I'm the defense, I'm going to drag this case out. I'm going to bore the jury with so many facts about Kelly Thomas, his drug use, his propensity of previous violence. I'm going to drag this case out. I am going to try to make the jury hate Kelly Thomas. So the prosecution has a strategy of making this case quick and to the point. The defense, on the other hand, wants to drag this case out. I see those two versions playing out in this case. Leo Terrell for ClearTheCourt.com.